The best soft baked cookies in KL. Let's try it. I've heard a lot of good things about the Cookie Crumbs Bake Shop cookies. Now, best friends, it comes in this really big bag. Oh. So I got not 1, but 6 cookies here. Let's start with the OG chocolate chips. Now, this is a classic dark chocolate chip cookie. It has a rich chocolate filling in the middle. For me, 7 out of 10. Next is the strawberry white chocolate. I can see hints of strawberries here and chocolate, and on breaking it apart there, you can see it like that. This one is very chewy. I like the elements of the strawberry and the white chocolate. 9 out of 10. Next is the sea salt triple chocolate. And this is for the chocolate lovers who also want a hint of salt right there. It's sweet and it's also salty because of the sea salt, which I think goes really nicely together. 8 out of 10. Red velvet cheesecake. Here, ooh, you can see right there in the middle there is the cheesecake amongst the red velvet. I'm a bit biased here because I like red velvet and cheesecake. 10 out of 10. Campfire s'mores. Breaking it apart there, you can see it just comes right off. It's very chocolatey and I don't really feel the marshmallows a lot. I would say for this one, 7 out of 10. Nutella stuffed. And here's another one for the chocolate lovers. Oh. I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate, but with the Nutella in here, with the cookie as well, I think it works together super well. 8 out of 10. And the last cookie here, which is the milk chocolate. I love milk, and right here, I can also see all the chocolate bits inside there like that. I would say this milk chocolate is the best one for if you don't want too much cookie or too much chocolate. You just want a nice cookie. 9 out of 10 for me. And my favorite by far would have to be the red velvet, with the runner-up going to the milk chocolate. And the total price for all of this here is about 67 ringgit, which is quite pricey if you're buying everything at once. But I think for one cookie, it should be okay. So tell me, best friend, what is your favorite cookie place and cookie recommendations? Because why? I'm your captain of awesome and I'm from Nigeria with love.